What is one of the most counterintuitive lessons that I've learned from being around some of the best entrepreneurs on this planet, business owners and offer owners? This is a super important question. I'm Scott Sylvan Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. Coming to you live from Carlsbad, California. Today I'm at an event and I had a conversation with a super well-known person, and we were talking about the ability to say no. And this is really the gist of what was said. In order to be able to say yes, you have to learn when to say no. In order to learn when to say yes, you have to learn when to say no. And I was like, wait, I got a lot of questions. And this is the way that it was explained to me. It was like, hey, look, there's only so much bandwidth that you have in a day. There's so much decision-making skill. There is an infinite money supply, but you have to know where to get it from. And then there's only so much people on the team that can implement what you have going on. And I was like, whoa, wait a minute. So I thought about this. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna take some notes. And this is why you join HVAC Tech Secrets. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. And so what this means for you as a salesperson, as a technician, sometimes, you know, you have people come to you and say like, hey, I got this project that I want you to work on. Now, there's a lot of times where you should say yes, but there's also times where you should take a look at it and say, that's probably not a good idea. It's gonna take me off of my mission. It's gonna take me away from what I'm doing, and really sit down and think about it. There are a couple of projects that I took on, you know, inside of an organization that really hurt me because of how much time, energy, and effort that they took that I shouldn't have been done it, and I lost revenue, I lost money. And so there are times where you look at a project and you're like, I'm instantly in, and then there's times where you get the gut feeling, right? You get the gut feeling and it's like, maybe I shouldn't be doing this as of right now. I will come back to it. It is something that I need to do. But you know, here's the thing. Sit down, make your decisions, do your praying, do whatever it takes for you to decide what direction that you're gonna go. But think about this, and I really want you to ponder upon this. Sometimes it's more important for you to say no than it is for you to say yes. Sometimes it's all those no's that build up to give you the opportunity to say yes, that give you the opportunity of time, wherewithal with money, the things that you can do with life and with your family, with your kids, with where you're going. So if you're in the midst of making a decision and you're like, do I take this role? Do I take this position? Do I take this gig? Whatever word that you want to use for it. There are times where it's like automatically, yes, I'm going to do it. And there's times where it's like, you know what? It's going to take me off of everything that I'm working for. It's probably not a good idea. You got one of two things to do from here. Just one of two. Find the subscribe button, click on it. And every time I send out a video, you'll get an update that says HVAC Technician Sales Secrets, send another fantastic video, or hit subscribe. We'll see you soon.